Most of you are wondering where to start in trading. Trading crypto, where to start in trading the markets, and this video is gonna be all about that. First of all, I want you to start by subscribing to my channel, turn on notifications because we go on lives on a regular basis. I share market updates, I share new projects, and most importantly, I share new trades. Drop a comment below introducing yourselves. I really want to get to know you guys. I'm going to check each and every message. So I'm a financial lawyer. I worked in New York and I've been trading for the past 15 years. I started trading and then I discovered crypto and I went deep into crypto, deep into the trenches, NFTs, the first bull run, the second bull run, and now the bull run that we're witnessing and that you need to take advantage of. But you're definitely asking yourselves, how can I start? How can I start trading? And how can I know about crypto? And this video is gonna be explaining to you each and every step of the way, how to download your tools, your accounts, everything that you need to know, literally everything. Put in your pen, your paper, your coffee, your popcorn, anything. Let's go. This video is going to be divided into two parts. The traditional finance part, stocks, forex, commodities, gold, oil, currencies, and what tools to use. I'm going to be sharing with you AI tools that you've never heard of before. Super exciting. Exclusive tactics and strategies. So make sure to watch this video very calmly. And then the second part is going to be the crypto part. And why am I sharing this in the same video? I've been trading for 15 years and I deeply believe that what you learn in traditional finance, you can apply in crypto and vice versa. Now, I know that crypto has some unique features. Community is definitely a huge part of what crypto is. And we're going to be highlighting community. We're going to be highlighting how to research community. But more and more, traditional finance is becoming this way. If you look at Tesla, on Elon's pushing the stock simply by communicating on X. And there are so many spaces and communities and blogs and chat rooms talking about Tesla. Whatever result they're dropping, the stock is still pumping on communication. And so that's a community being built around Tesla. Same thing for other companies. Apple has built its own community, right? Around the product, around the company. These two worlds are kind of converging in a sense, but we'll get to talk about that. So let's jump right in. TradingView is definitely something that you need to have. It has so many tools, so much information, news, simply by going to this section here where you have stock gainers and stock losers. That's something I like to do. A very simple strategy is to look at the stock losers and gather for a period of like 7 or 8 days, what are the stocks that are losing. And from there, you can see if those stocks have dropped because of bad news that is not really essential. This will lead to a jump in the stock moving forward in the next few days or even few weeks. I have a list, a full list of stock losers that I keep gathering and updating on a daily basis. It takes me, 10 minutes per day to look at these companies, add them to the sheet and keep updating it. Then highlight here in this section to the right, the stocks and the currencies and the commodities that you're watching. So I like to divide them by category, but you could do it in whatever way you want. I have the Max 7, I have stocks I'm following. I told you about Hertz. Remember this RBK tracks crypto. So whenever you see crypto moving, RBK is a blockchain company, so it does move with crypto. There are many stocks that I look for. If you're trading gold, same thing. Gold has, where is it? So gold is here, it's up here. So whenever you go, you can go to the gold page. Here, I'm gonna refresh just to show you something. Just a second. Okay, there we go. Okay, so when you go here, and whenever you go to any stock, by the way, you need to make sure to look at this page before going to the chart. Why? Because it gives you that psychological positioning. And you see year to date, what have we done? We've done 24% on gold year to date, right? We've done 29% for the past year. So that gives me a perspective. Same thing for any other stock. You could choose any stock. Let's take Hertz, for example, right? Hertz, this is Hertz. 6 month, minus 25%. Year to date, minus 61%. Over the year, 1 year is minus 53%. And so even if I see a pump from $3 to $4, I'm still kind of in the negative side of the stock for the year. So there is still upside if there is any kind of positive news that drops on Hertz. Lux Algo. Lux Algo is definitely a tool you need to have. Definitely. It gives you indicators. I'm going to show you here. And those are premium indicators. So you need to get the premium subscription on Lux Algo. Fortunately, we've got a discount. So Lux Algo gives you these kinds of indicators. So you go here to indicators and then you go to Lux Algo. I'm going to show you. You see this lock. These are premium. These are that will only get unlocked if you have the subscription. Now, one pointer, when you get the subscription on Lux Algo, make sure you already have a TradingView account because you're going to put in your username, which in my case is Achilles, right? You're going to put in your username here. I'm going to show you. Okay, there you go. You're going to put that so that it connects directly to Lux Algo and it unlocks those indicators. So the link is below. Then you've got Bloomberg. Of course, you have to follow up on news on Bloomberg. I teach you everything in the full course. You get the free course below, by the way. You have the full extended free course in the link below to check it out as well. It teaches you how to use Bloomberg, how to use CNBC, and to read the news on CNBC. This is new. These are platforms you need to have. Okay. Then we have Forex Factory. Forex Factory gives me a full calendar. Now you can find this calendar on TradingView, but Forex Factory gives you a lot of details, So you want to look at the red events. The red events are very important events, whether for currencies, for gold sometimes, for oil, or even for stocks. Orange is a bit less important, but still very important. And yellow is a bit less important. All of those are very important though. And then, ta-da! One of my very cool tools that I've been using called Stock Pulse. So whatever stock you search, look at that. It directly gives you an investment report. So you could literally read through this report, see how many messages, how many authors are writing about Tesla, how many sources, you see, Twitter. So you can have literally an overlook of the stock, both from a financial perspective and from a social perspective. Stock Pulse is amazing. I put the link below as well for you guys to use it. FinChat is another tool I've been using. FinChat gives me a lot of details as well. It gives me a lot of information on any stock that I want. Let's say Tesla, I'm getting into Tesla. I have all this information in front of me. So I can make informed decisions, right? PE ratio. This is something that I teach you, by the way, in the course. The free course below has information about how to analyze a stock. PE ratio, price to earnings, price to book ratio, everything, EBITDA. All of this information is there. Another thing is you can literally use the platform to get an investor presentation. So you could research how many orders did ServiceNow have in the past quarter, and it would give you an answer and give you details. Extremely advanced, extremely advanced. Candlestick AI, it's an app. You could use it as well to have some kind of indicators on the chart for the stocks. Indicators on where to buy and where not to buy. Stock tweets is similar to Twitter, similar to X, but focused on the market. All of this, guys, is something I give in the free course below. You could skip this video from here and go to the free course. You have everything, but I would advise you to keep watching. And then lastly, you can follow me on Twitter, on X. This is my username. So I put the link below. I give you all the updates. I share updates on the market. Here I launched my book. I shared updates on Bitcoin, on crypto overall. I share a lot of things that are super, super interesting. And now let's jump to crypto. So crypto, you've got a different set of tools. Crypto is based on news. It's based on a hype. It's based on community. So CoinMarketCap gives me this. One of the is the total market cap for crypto. We've crossed 3 trillion, which is a very big number, but it's not still that big. 3 trillion is the valuation of Nvidia right now. It's not mainstream yet. So you're still early. That's my point. Volume. What's the volume? What's the volume in the past 24 hours? Minus 11%. So we're dropping in volume. What does it mean? We might see a small correction before moving forward. And again, we see at the dominance. We look at the dominance here. The Bitcoin dominance. What does it mean? It means how much of the whole crypto market is actually Bitcoin. There's 58% of the volume of the market cap. Once this starts dropping below 56, this is when altcoin season starts, right? We start seeing a lot of coins taking more importance. And we've seen XRP, we've seen HBAR move huge. We've seen Solana moves. Another thing I like to do is to go to the crypto ETFs here and look at the net flow, right? There's minus 272 million that went out of ETFs. What does it mean? People are exiting, but are they exiting in huge numbers? No, there are billions already deployed in these ETFs. So it means that we might have a small correction before moving forward. And this is something I base on. A lot of tools in CoinMarketCap, I give them to you in the course as well. CryptoPanic is another source that you need for reading news. Then you've got your wallets, and I linked all the links to the wallets below. I share them in full in the course, but for the sake of this video, MetaMask is a wallet you need. So go to MetaMask and download your wallet. Make sure to protect your keys. MetaMask is for Ethereum. Phantom is for Solana. Xverse is for your Bitcoins. So if you want to buy Bitcoins, this is where you go. And then you've got DEX Screener. This is where you can look at new pairs in the market, new crypto projects, new meme coins. If you're looking at trading meme coins, this is where you go. You can look at all the coins and check the data on those coins. So the volume, the 24 hours, the liquidity, the market cap. I usually like to look at projects between 700,000 and a million in market cap. So that's where I usually look. But you would go as well to new pairs and start looking at new pairs here. And you start seeing the new project coming in. So if you want to get in early, I teach you in the free course how to read those and how to analyze what kind of project is really pumping and which one is not. DEX Tools is another tool that you can use. And here you can filter the top projects, okay, the daily gainers, etc. Photon is another platform you need to trade meme coins. Photon is for meme coins, purely for meme coins. Super intuitive, super easy, very fast execution. I love this tool. Got recommended by a guy called Min. Honestly, he's a goat. I love this guy. Super positive. And then Uniswap is something that you need. It's a DEX tool. So if you don't find the coin on your regular exchange, let's say you have Binance or OKX or Bybit, all of those, if you can't find the coin, is going to be through Uniswap. So you have to connect your wallet and then swap into the actual coin. Lastly, you have the exchange. I use OKX. You could use whatever you want. I have the link for OKX below. If you use, if you create your account through my link here, you get bonus upon signing up, and then you're gonna get an exclusive section so that you get basically my trades, right? So I'm gonna be sharing my trades on this platform, so you get them, so you get to maybe follow the trades. You could use Cointelegraph for the news, and lastly, make sure to follow me on X because this is where I share most of my content. All of this you can find in the course below. So make to take that course. Subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, take the free course, and see you on the other side.